Hey everybody, Forrest here, ripping 2021 Flawless Baseball Hobby 1 box, number 33. Left side serial numbers. Here they are. We'll call out the hits, who they're going to as we pull them out here. You can always find these LaytonSportsCards.com's results tab. Thanks everybody for joining and good luck. All right, first up. Triple patch, number 2 of 7, Jim Thome.
Michael S.
Michael S with the 2 spots. Nice Thome game worn. Triple patch card. Dual patch, 12 of 20, Bill Dickey.
Ethan M.
Ethan M with the Bill Dickey. Coach worn on those. Old relics there. Star Swatch signatures, 23 of 25, David Peterson.
Brandon D.
Brandon D. Nice high number hit for you, Brandon. Star Swatch signatures, David Peterson. A 1 of 1 patch auto, Deion Sanders.
Guy H.
Guy H. Sick, Deion. That is freaking awesome. 1 of 1 Deion Sanders patch auto as a member of the Reds there. 2016 Flawless. Congrats on the Deion. This is 2 out of 3 Joe Madden auto.
Michael S. again.
Michael S. Another 2-spot hit. Joe Madden auto. Three out of 7 Dennis Eckersley auto.
Peter
Peter M.I. with the 3-spot on the Dennis Eckersley. Quad patch rookie auto, 1 out of 20, Esteban Florial.
Guy H.
Guy H again, another 1-spot hit. Nice quad patch rookie auto. Dual patch rookie auto, 4 out of 10, Nick Madrigal.
Eric R.
Eric R. Nice 4-spot Madrigal. Awesome White Sox patches there. All right, that is a rookie Canary Diamond, numbered 8 of 10, Jazz Chisholm.
Pete M.A.
Pete M.A., the Canary Jazz Chisholm. That diamond guarantee there. See you later. And last up is a Ke'Bryan Hayes RPA, 16 out of 25.
Lucas E.
Lucas E. Congrats on the Ke'Bryan Hayes. Good box of Flawless Baseball. Congrats to those who hit. Thank you very much, everybody. We have another 1-boxer coming up next.